Number 5 is Brother HL-L2320D Mono Laser Printer. In today's fast-paced world, where creativity and personalization reign supreme, the Brother HL-L2320D Mono Laser Printer takes center stage as the ultimate companion for printing HTV, heat transfer vinyl, designs. This printer is not just any ordinary printing marvel, it's a powerhouse that infuses fun, excitement, and a touch of magic into every print. With lightning-fast printing speeds of up to 30 pages per minute, your HTV creations come to life in the blink of an eye. This electrifying printer utilizes cutting-edge electrophotographic laser technology, ensuring that every intricate detail of your design pops with vibrant clarity. Whether you're unleashing your imagination on t-shirts, bags, or any other fabric, this printer never fails to captivate. The HL-L2320D embodies convenience, boasting a high-speed USB 2.0 interface for seamless local connectivity. Its automatic duplexing feature unleashes a double-sided printing extravaganza, saving time and resources. You'll never miss a beat with its versatile 250-sheet capacity tray, easily adjusted to accommodate letter or legal-sized paper. And for those special occasions that demand envelope printing, the manual feed slot swoops in to save the day. If you like this printer, then be sure to check out the link in the description box to purchase it. That's all from us in today's video about the top 5 best printers for printing HTV. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!